It is tough to feel like you're missing out, especially around the holidays. But there are so many ways that you can still feel like you're enjoying the season while taking care of yourself and respecting your limitations. My name's Larissa. I have a brain injury and I used to live for Christmas. I love it. So today, I'm super excited to share some fun, low impact holiday activities that you can probably do, even if you're recovering from a concussion, a brain injury, another injury, or are just really low energy this year. Just a quick reminder that I am not a doctor. So if your family doctor has told you to rest, to take it easy, not to participate in Christmas activities this year, it's important to follow their guidelines. I know it's frustrating when you want to participate in activities, especially around the holidays. But remember that this is a blip. You are going to continue to get better, and there are more Christmases to look forward to. Which is frickin' hard to remember in the moment. I get that. The first Christmas after my brain injury, I was miserable. I couldn't do anything. Lights hurt. So I get it, but it will get better. Each year I've been able to do a little bit more and add in another activity. I've found ways to make things easier. And when you make things easier in one area, it frees up brain space and energy to do more things in other areas. So it is a journey, but you'll be able to do more over time. First up, let's talk about a few cozy indoor ideas. I enjoy doing puzzles, and I was frustrated that, the pieces are small and there's just so much going on. It's hard on my head. Recently, I discovered a lot of the big puzzle manufacturers make large format pieces though. So you can find puzzles with pictures that you like. You could find a puzzle with a Christmas theme, but you're looking for large format pieces. And just to give you an idea, the large format are about 3 times the size of the little guys. It makes it easier on your head. It makes it easier on your eyes. It's easier on your fine motor skills. And it's something fun and engaging. If your ears are open to it, you can listen to our Christmas Carol list. Our team has compiled a list of chill Christmas carols that don't hurt our heads, and you can check that out on Spotify. We'll link it below. But if puzzles are too much right now, if your eyes can't handle it, just curling up with a hot chocolate and listening to the playlist is a good alternative. So if your eyes are not up to puzzling, that's okay. Just be chill. Nice cup of hot chocolate. Listen to some Christmas carols. It's a step towards normalcy. Going to the salon is still 4 years, almost 5 years in, and it is still really overwhelming to me. You've got the TVs, you've got people milling around, getting their nails done. You've got the sounds. Usually it's both the TV and music. Friends will chat to each other if they've come to the salon together. You've got the salon techs that are chatting. So pedicures, manicures, they're hard for me. So I pamper myself at home and I do my nails at home, which can be festive. Choosing a lighter color like a soft pink or a light gray, a mauve color means that if you are not quite perfect, it's okay. Nobody's really going to notice like they might with a red or a maroon. You could get little Christmas stickers to add to your nails if you really want to go gung-ho holidays. And here's what really made things easier for me. I use the gel-like nail polish. So it's not actual gel. I don't need a lamp. I don't need curing time. It's not like that. I use Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel, which is like a regular, you paint the color and then you paint a top coat. But I have found that the top coat dries much more quickly than other top coats, even the fast dry top coats. It stays shiny longer and my nails last longer. So if you feel like, oh, I don't look like myself since my concussion, I want to feel pretty, but I can't go get my nails done, try an at-home manicure. And if you want something extra fancy, try sparkles or the unicorn top coat or the little stickers. It's a simple way to feel a little festive while avoiding the hustle and bustle of the manicure salon. Now, if you are up for some gentle movement, let's talk about outdoor activities. One of my favorite things to do is to grab a hot chocolate or an apple cider from my favorite coffee shop and go for a stroll and look at the Christmas lights. But here's the thing. If you're like me and the lights are not great for your head, that is okay. In the past, there's this road near my home, and all of the houses have these extravagant light setups. It's incredible. They have, the 20-foot blow-ups at all of these houses, and they've got garlands, and one of the houses sets up a movie screen and shows a Christmas movie every night. It is amazing, and it used to be one of the highlights of my holiday season. I can't do that right now. Absolutely not. This is the first year that I'm going to try to get back out and see some Christmas lights, but I'm being very realistic. I know that this might not go well for my head. I'm going to take a Tylenol before I go. I'm going to stay very local. I'm setting a timer, and after 15 minutes, I'm going to come home and reassess. And that might be it this year. I might go over, get my hot chocolate, start going up the street and say, absolutely not. Turn around and come home, or I might last the whole 15 minutes. But it's just trying to get a little bit of that flavor of the holiday season and my holiday traditions. I also recommend having a backup plan. So I will have a new holiday puzzle ready to go so that if I grab my hot chocolate and as soon as I look at one of the houses, my head starts hurting and I think that this is not going to be good for my brain, when I come home, I'm not just going to sit here disappointed chugging my hot chocolate. I've got a different activity with which to distract myself. And if you already know that light sensitivity is an issue for you, or you don't want to be out after dark, just going for a walk with a hot chocolate and looking at the decorations during the day or enjoying the first snowfall is a great way to start getting back into the festive spirit. Now let's talk creativity. If you are like me and you enjoy crafting, there are plenty of holiday-themed craft activities that you can do at your own pace. For example, I tried string art for the first time this year. There are a ton of pre-made kits available on Amazon, at Michael's, at Hobby Lobby. I'll put links to a few of my favorites below. I recommend going for something with a larger surface area so that it's less fiddly. It's less of your eyes converging together, which can cause a headache. If you get a larger Christmas tree, for example, the string goes wider, so it's a little easier on my head at least. You can even create these as homemade gifts. If you love scents and having your home smell like baking really enhances your holiday experience, you can try making your own potpourri or your own scented stovetop kit. If you'd like a step-by-step guide for making stovetop potpourri or a scented pine cone set, click the link for a full step-by-step tutorial. So whether you are walking through the snow, sipping a hot chocolate, or curled up at home creating a cozy craft, remember that the holidays are all about finding joy in the little moments, especially while you're healing. Take things at your own pace and give yourself grace to enjoy the season in ways that work for you. It might not be the same as last year or the year before, but it can still be great. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I hope you will give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks and Leave a comment below about your favorite holiday activities. Let's help each other make this season a little bit brighter, and remember that you are not alone in your concussion.